Today we're going to be making the most delicious carrot puree, so let's do it. So the first thing we need for this recipe are some lovely organic carrots. So give your carrots a wash, chuck them onto a chopping board, and very simply you just want to chop the carrot into small inch-sized cubes. So get the carrot chopped up, and then you want to chuck the diced carrots into a saucepan. Fill the saucepan with some water and place over a high heat. You want to bring the water up to a boil and cook out the carrots until they're just starting to get soft, but we don't want them to turn to mush, so do keep an eye on them. Once your carrots are just starting to get nice and soft, you want to pop a frying pan onto the hob, add a good knob of butter, and then chuck in your carrots. Give the carrots a good tossing up in the butter, give them a season with some salt and some freshly ground black pepper, and then you want some chicken stock. So pour in some chicken stock until it just about covers the carrot, and then you want to reduce down the stock until it's nice and thick and syrupy. We barely want any liquid left. Once the stock is reduced, we're going to blend our puree. So take a blender, fill it up with your carrots, add a good knob of butter, and then you want some double cream. So pour in a good splash of the double cream, stick the lid on the blender, blitz that up for a few moments till it's really nice and smooth, and then you want to give it a quick taste, add a pinch of seasoning, and then blitz it up for another minute or two, give it one last taste, and if you're happy, pour your puree out into a bowl, and there we have a really delicious carrot puree. So get in the kitchen, give it a try, and I'll see you next time.